Hey guys, I just thought I'd share a little snippet of what I'm working on right now. At the moment, I discovered that this coupler has actually fallen beneath the black ABS, I think, piece here, and as we can see over here, it's above. This causes the entire assembly to only go up to a certain point, and then this stops because it can't move anymore because of the coupler, and this keeps going. As we've gone ahead and taken the entire extruder assembly off, I've realized that I can still not pull this coupler out of here or get at a good angle. So now we're going to have to take this black plastic piece off just to try and get at this coupler. During disassembly, you want to be very careful not to let these fall out, because if they fall out on the floor, they're going to be a pain to go find, as I just got done doing.